left, and he has started his own venture. He has taken up, like, he very profoundly say that I believe in converting brown to green and green to brown. Okay,
True.
and his venture name is Brown Valley. And he, what are these concepts and how he has started his venture from like in a as a plantation one, and then after he has entered into the coffee plantation, then he entered into processing of that coffee beans or black pepper, vanilla, so many other products. Okay, and after now he has started branding his own product in his own this coffee estate name, Brown Valley. And now a new twist has come to the coffee estate in that particular locality of Odisha, that is southern part of Odisha, that Tata Coffee has come over there, and he has they have acquired sort of thing all the growers, coffee growers over there, all the big and marginal growers, everybody. And what is the scenario, all those things we can listen from directly from him. So sir, please start with your career, that how you have started, how, when exactly you thought of that let me leave this job and let me enter into, and why not any consultancy type of service, why you picked up a coffee growing coffee plantation sort business. So, and then after, how subsequently you carried out your venture, what are your challenges, how much your dreams has been fulfilled as on date. So you are free to talk, sir. Whatever, it's a very you're in a open-minded. All of us will discuss. We are here to listen something, to learn something, to share our views. Okay. So I welcome you heartily, and please.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Chaudhary, and all the students who have introduced already, and all are from different background. And I too also from a different background. After graduation in commerce, I did my ICWA final, and I completed in the year 1993. And after 93, it was completed. But prior to that also, I was doing job in a export house, and 94 to 94 December, 93 to 94 December, I was working with Escorts Finance. After that, I left the job. Initially, I can say you, while in the schools, now my project is in the Koraput district of Odisha, which is otherwise Odisha is termed as a backward state first, and the district Koraput was treating that time 13 districts were there, and out of 13 the position of Koraput district was 13. From 1 to 13, the most backward district of the state where now I am operating. So it is a hilly area and predominantly by tribals only. When my the background is during 80s, my father was a telecom engineer who was serving in this district, and we were in the hostels doing schooling that time. But in the vacations when I visited to my parents, they have taken me to one of the government's farm where I find out as a child cardamom, the small cardamom, because your area Arunachal is famous for large cardamom, black cardamom, but I am talking about the small one, or the cardamom, small cardamom, was drying with a thickness of 2 inch, 3 inch. That time in the year 7. So that was the coffee, cardamom, black pepper I had seen in 78. But I had a dream during that school period. If at all I will get a chance, I will have my own jungle, because people have so many lands and other things. But to own a jungle and to give employment, all those things were in mind. But as a service background, my father was an engineer in telecom, so we have to strictly obey their instructions to go for academic line. Accordingly, I passed cost accountant and doing job. But fortunately, my roommate and my close friend, who happens to be my very close friend, he and myself both stay 1 year in Delhi. After that, he got a chance to go to US because he was from the software background. So during that time only, I had some savings myself, and a piece of land my father has purchased during 79, a piece of land of 10 acres only, which is now 150 acres. After I joined there, we have made it to 150 acres of consortium now. So my friend who went to US, he told me, you go back to Koraput, you have a dream and you plan accordingly, take finance from the bank. And the day we both decided in the year 1994 December, in the year I came to Koraput, and by that time it was totally brown. In 93 I had a visit. In 94 I had a visit, though I was staying in Delhi. It was totally brown because Podu cultivation is very popular in this area. People burn jungles and they with that axe they plow. Lot of soil erosion is there. The soil was too hard and too acidic in nature. So whatever you plant, it is very difficult to grow. So anyway, when I have decided to enter to coffee plantation, I have to create a jungle. So during monsoon of 94 only, I had planted my silver oak shade plants. And with that shade plants, during that time only, I had a thought, I have to make a plan where it is totally brown. The entire valleys were also brown because that time in the summer they will burn it. Wherever you will go, you will find, because that time no rain were there. So it will burn, and whatever the ash and all that will come, that will enrich their small piece of paddy lands on the beneath. So in that way, in 95, I took the seeds from Coffee Board, which is having a technical evaluation center in Koraput headquarter district, and then journey starts. Planting, maintenance, all this, we used to stay in the farm only, and with liver rifting and all that, I start with only that 13 acres, 10 to 13 acres. After that, again, we started procuring some more lands in different patches, and some sick units also I purchased in the year 2007. So my first harvest till that time, all the planters who were previously operating in our area and senior to me by 10 to 12 years, 15 years, like 20 years also, they used to sell their farm produce in a raw condition, especially to the middleman coming from nearby town Bijawada. Are you getting all people, all students? Are you getting, are listening? Is there any problem?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we are listening.
Yes, sir. We are listening.
No,
Yes, sir.
no. In between, Dr. Chaudhary, do you need, should I have a small break to interact for the first phase?
No, sir. Please continue the way, in the natural way, the way you are carrying out. Please, sir.
Okay. Because I was little haphazard, otherwise I could have shown the slides.
It's quite
Okay.
streamlined.
So, so anyway, since 97, I have met this your sir, Dr. Chaudhary, and he was a small. That time he was in school, probably school or first year or second year, like that. So in 97, I got the finance from Bank of India, Sunabada. Bank of India, Sunabada, where my relationship starts with the financial institution. And now I am one of the best customer of the Bank of India, Sunabada, where in the first phase, they have financed me for the coffee project, which I repaid in the year 2001 up to 95% of their loan with interest. After that, they asked me repeatedly, why not you are taking some more loan for others? Then my journey starts with the spices. I started planting because my said plants were silver oak and other jungle species. The silver oak was coming up very well, which is quite suitable to train pepper, black pepper. Especially this black pepper, we were totally, it is like a creeper. So it beautifully, it comes up with silver oak, because silver oak leaves were so scientifically designed, filter light is coming up. 50% light is required for the pepper plants, and 75% shade is required for coffee. So it was so well designed. Coffee and pepper and silver oak all were with a good combination, where I got my first crop in 2001 coffee, where I was telling you the middlemen from Vijayawada, they were purchasing all raw coffee. Raw coffee means with clean green bean. They were buying clean green bean, which we are hulling in our estates. But they were paying us that time, due to our ignorance of the senior planter. We were paying the price with skin. The skin was around 24%, which price they were reducing from our realization money. So we are unable. So on 2001 only, with a truckload and a car, we 4 planter went to first to explore our product in Karnataka's Hassan city, Hassan district headquarters, as well as Hassan, the best coffee curing works. We went there and we dispose our coffee there with 25% minimum premium apart from the market price. So in total, that time we got 35% premium after deducting all expenses. If we would have sold at Koraput, we would have got 35%. So that was the big opening for selling our raw coffee at Karnataka in a processing unit. After that, it really gave a boost to have more and more expansion. So that time only,
Just a second.
Sorry.
Uncle, just let me show them some pictures so that they can connect. Like these are the see this. Please explain. You can explain them that how this.
See, first one, the first photograph I am talking about. The flower is there, right? This is flowering stage of the coffee. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The first one with flower, that is the flowering stage.
And then, what is the season, on which season that flowering occurs?
Flowering, yes. Flowering generally comes in the month of month of mid-February to mid-April, in between.
And after how long, means after plantation of the, how many years, after how many years the flowering occurs?
Generally 3 years after planting of coffee seedlings, 3 years we are getting flowers, but we generally never retain the flower in the 3rd year. 4th year onwards, we try to keep little bit of flowers, but 5th year onwards, usually we keep all the flowers for the fruit formation,
And these are the fruit.
These are the ripened fruits. Prior to this, green one will be there. And this is the processed. This was the roasted bean, probably.
Yes.
Sorry.
So, and the next part is this one. Once
this is
from yes. How
Yes,
we
this is
get
the
this?
roasted one. This is the value addition part.
Okay. So, so earlier when you were sending to the Vijayawada people, you used to
Huh.
sell this one just in this format. You plowing that
No,
this thing.
no, 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 no. This fruit, after plucking of this fruit, generally we put it in a pulper machine, in which the red skin will be removed, and after this red skin will removed, the pulp and the bean will be washed thoroughly, and it is dried for 10 days to get parchment coffee, where the green bean has a thin layer of white. You can in the net you can see parchment coffee, Parchment, parchment coffee. So parchment, yes, this is the parchment coffee, and if we will remove the husk of this parchment, we will be getting the green one. The green one. Prior to roasting, we generally get the green bean, coffee green bean. Yes, this is the picture. This is the right picture where we find out parchment, then skin, then green.
Okay, this one. Yes.
This one, correct. And we were selling the last one with the price of the first one.
Okay. Okay.
There is a difference of almost a 20% in between weight.
Okay.
Suppose if we will be putting 100 kilo, then green bean will be 81, 82 kilo will come.
Okay. So now
One should know the ratio also, because if we are getting 100 kg of ripened fruits of coffee,
yes.
should I continue?
Yes. Yes. Please.
So the pictures at least have given you a general impression about the coffee seeds and all that. So ripened, the red one you have seen, that is the final in the plant, the final produce in the plant. So plant gives us the ripened berries, and from the ripened berries, we will be getting the final product as a roasted and grounded powder. The ratio is, if we have 100 kg of fruit, then end of the day, if we are using this powder, that will be coming almost 12%. Only 12%. 88% will go in between. The skin, the moisture, the roasting part, all these will be going. So ultimately, you just think how much volume of fruits you will handle and all that. So anyway, back to my journey, and moreover, two things I find out in this journey: round the year employment to the poor tribal families, we have done it, and the way the plowing and all that in the valleys, the brown valleys, were gradually converted to green valleys, where we create a forest, we create a ecology, where we have invited so many birds are coming, so many biodiversity and flora fauna again come back. All springs were dry during the summers, that again started flowing around the year now, every and by that way we got spices. Now I have 4 spices in major. Which one? The major is black pepper I am growing, and cardamom I am growing, cinnamon I am growing, and apart from that coffee. So 4 major crops we are doing, and expansion is also going. In between, I have gone so many years, and Dr. Chaudhary, your professor, knows about that. I have a very passion for, because production part I have taken care, everything. Passion for the value addition and bean to cup. If I am making good quality coffee, we were during that time giving it our coffee to Alana Sons for last 15 years. Continuously, we are sending our parchment copy, and the rate prevailing there in the auction center, they were passing to our bank account after deducting the expenses and the moisture loss and the recovery. Moisture, suppose if we are selling, they have a binding of 10.5 to 11.5 moisture level one should maintain. Suppose ours is 13.5, so they will deduct in quantity of some kg, they will deduct. If everything goes well, then they were paying. So accordingly we were getting money. So in that way they were taking our coffee and they were exporting. We got to know, they signed it and they told that your coffee quality is good and we are selling it to Illy Coffee Italy. But as you don't have a substantial quantity, we are making your coffee as Karnataka origin coffee, not to give you a recognition of Koraput coffee or Odisha coffee or Eastern Ghat coffee. Because very popularly, if we will differentiate Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat, that is the major difference between Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala growing, and where Eastern Ghat means coming all northeastern states, and now also which we in Andhra Pradesh, Aruku Valley and Odisha's Koraput Valley and northeastern states are treated in coffee board as NTA, non-traditional area, because coffee, though our we have started at 50 last background in Odisha, say 50-60 years back, still our area is treated as non-traditional area, and they have a history of 250 years of coffee. But now the situation has changed. Now the situation has changed. Primarily, there are two types of coffee which I should have told you in the first only: Arabica and Robusta. And we grow only and only Arabica in this region because our area, altitude, rainfall, everything is suitable to grow Arabica. And Arabica is in the market leader as far as aroma, flavor, and body, all by considering always Arabica commands premium in the market. Okay, so in this way, the raw coffee, they were selling it to Illy Coffee Italy. It was exported to Illy Coffee Italy. They were taking our coffee to Milano. One city is Milano in Italy. They have their big processing unit there, Tresta and Milano. They were processing there and again selling it back to India, where Illy coffee is supplied to the chain of 5-star hotels. So our coffee was going there and again coming. So are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. I was showing some slidings probably. That was the technical part of the Robusta and Arabica coffee. It was shown. Anyway, so Illy Coffee Italy. After that, I want to have some value addition. So with a small roaster, I started. I attended all these exhibitions and these cultural functions where I can serve, but with a small gas roaster and with a small grinder I was making, and some students from the your institution, they came here, David and all their team, and they successfully, we spent some time to promote the Brown Valley, because my journey was brown to green and green to brown. So hopefully you can understand, the valley was brown. By planting tree and adopting coffee cultivation, the valley turns to green, and the green, after turning it to green, the final produce which we got from the coffee fruits is green bean. Then the green bean, we were selling it to the traders in Karnataka, but now I have started from green bean to roasting it to get the brown bean, the brown powder, the dark brown. So brown to green, again green bean to brown powder. So journey is like a cycle. After getting this powder and all that, I wanted to have, yes, this is the coffee, Illy coffee, Italy. This Illy coffee were purchasing entire stock of Odisha coffee planters, and they were just giving it the name of Karnataka only. Now Tata Coffee has entered. Though I am just giving it the background of Tata Coffee. During last 5 to 6 years back, one coffee board officer, Mr. Ajit Kumar Raut, joined in coffee board Koraput, who was one of the team member, who was the one of the team member of promoting Araku Valley with Sonalini Menon, the legendary cup tester of our country. He worked, the Ajit Kumar Raut had worked with Sonalini Menon for the brand promotion of Araku Valley. When he joined Government of India, he came to Odisha and he joined in Koraput. He find out one of the best coffee are being produced in Koraput, but there is a lack of, very much lacking of marketing of Koraput coffee. So he wanted to have a marketing strategy how he can do all this. So he approached the government of Odisha, state government, where Tribal Development Cooperative Corporation, TDCC, came to picture, where they were producing and they were marketing all the agri commodity of Odisha in Adisa brand. So coffee was supposed, because the tribal coffee growing was already started after around 10 to 15 years back. They were planting and all that, but their final produce, the raw coffee was also. So to give the value addition, TDCC came to picture with the help of Mr. Ajit Rao, and they have a core team where they start the name Koraput Coffee came to picture. By that time, in the initial stage of Koraput Coffee, they have taken my roasted bean and they give it to their officers, who are quite impressed with that coffee beans, and then only they gave a nod to go ahead with the 1.5 crore project, where they have massive procurement scheme from the tribals and as well as from the non-tribals also. In the year 2021, this year only, with the produce of 2021, they were initially procuring from the tribal only. This year they have decided to procure from the non-tribals, our private planters who are doing very good coffee plantations. They have a tie-up with this TDCC corporation, and we sold our parchment coffee to TDCC. And this Kruti coffee journey also, you can see these are the photos where we have, you can see the Brown Valley, the Kruti coffee's Brown Valley. You can go the website where they have 3 segments, in which they have one natural, which is Indriguda Naturals, which is tribal grown coffee, where they blend with us, and one with Brown Valley, and one with Koraput Organic. So Kruti Coffee, in the year 2011, we registered a company where I was a director, and we have our outlets in Mumbai. After that, again we came to Koraput. Now in Bhubaneswar, my beans I am supplying. They are taking the Brown Valley Naturals in the name. This is they are taking, and they are now marketing it through Amazon's and their own websites also. So it really inspires. Dr. Kamakhya Das with a team, they are now very, very keen to market all our natural products of coffee, pepper, and all that. So somehow this Brown Valley has reached to their counter, and whoever, because this is a specialty coffee, because they do it black honey and some natural way fermentation. In this selection 5B variety they have selected, and they have dried it in cherry condition only, without pulping and all that. All the pulp it dried with the skin only and with the bean only. And with cup testers, it is totally accepted by few coffee drinkers. So now this is to the natural. But apart from this, I am still revealing my I am revealing that I am still not happy with the journey so far. I have some different things to do. See, business plan is having something different. And as a grower, if we will go to the real picture, I am just telling you, you all marketing wizards, you will be coming up in the near future. See, after such a hardship and waiting for 10 years to have a coffee bean, and we are selling at 230 rupees parchment coffee, and the final produce is selling, you just see, 1800 rupees a kilo. Definitely lot of marketing expenses and lot of packaging expenses, lot of networking expenses, all are there. Still the gross is getting only 10 to 12%, whereas the consumer is. So I want to have how to reduce it so that it should be, coffee is now treated as a very premium segment drink. How many India, if we will consider na, the India's production only 70%, 30% we are consuming, even less than 30%, and 70% we are depending on export. Why? That is the reason we have to explore. And moreover, the younger generation, the globalization has come up like this. We have to give and we have to educate our younger generation what are the benefits of coffee and how it helps. You just once you take little bit of time and go through the benefits of coffee drinking in two: one black coffee and one green bean, green crust, green powder, then cappuccino with the milk also, you will get amazing. The only thing, if anything much more, suppose 150 ml of 6 cup, 150 ml of 6 cup is well and good. And if somebody is going beyond, and that too black, I am talking about Americano. If we are going latte, we are getting mocha, all so many things are there. But the awareness we have to develop, and for common people, to their taste bud, we have to, because you just see the cafe culture, the barista, the Starbucks, then you talk about Cafe Coffee Day, about this other South Indian, so many chains are coming up, but you won't find anywhere the coffee is coming. At least the small South Indian filter coffee you can see, or any coffee in a cafe is less than 35 to 40 rupees, and it goes up to 400 ounce. So 35, 40, is it a common man's reach? Like a shoe which we are wearing, some people, India's population, if you consider, hardly 50% are not even getting a pair of slipper. So a slipper or more than that chappal is quite. But how many people are wearing this Nike shoe with a price tag of 5,000 and above? So like that, specialty coffee is well and good in its segment, and the other premium brands well and good. The price which they are charging also good. But in I have a very passion, because I have sold 3,000, 5,000 cup by sleeping inside a tent. The function name, the exhibition name I am talking about, it is All India Exhibition शिशिर सरस, उसका नेम जो है वो शिशिर। मैं हिंदी में भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बोल सकता हूँ क्या?
यस यस,
हिंदी समझ में आ रहा है?
यस यस।
तो क्या है कि भुवनेश्वर में ना जनवरी महीना में विंटर आता है, तो विंटर में एक ऑल इंडिया एग्जीबिशन रहता है, वो हैंडीक्राफ्ट का रहता है और हैंडलूम का रहता है। हर स्टेट से उनका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आते हैं, सिसिरा सरस। वहां हमको एक बार एक स्टॉल दिए थे। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 15 years बैक, and that time I was selling coffee at 5 rupees a cup, and amazing, the so much rush. And I was making it in a crude method, because I was using only my coffee, only roasted bean powder, and I was making a decoction. Decoction means liquid coffee, and another pot which is hot milk. So I am adding that hot milk and all, and I am serving in a tea urn like that. That was really amazing. All where people are coming and they were asking where all powders were sold out, and they were asking from where we will getting. But really poor, very, very poor marketing strategy, very poor logistic. I was totally not taken any consulting, and all that it got failed. So now I have decided to go in a planned manner, in which at least I can try to give a 60 ml cup with below 10, which will be making a revolution. Everyone wants to have a cup of coffee, at least testing. If really it will work, then Mr. Chaudhary and we were, because there will be a stiff resistance from all our community, because everybody in my family member to say, you never make it cheap, you never make it cheap, you never make it cheap. Always try to make a premium. Definitely, I want to have a premium segment also. But the privileged one, the people, at least the anybody for coffee, the people who are growing coffee, 99% of the growers, they never have a cup of coffee, because they are selling it at raw only. The drivers, I'm talking about the drivers, except Indriguda, which Kruti Coffee has adopted. So they have entered and they have tested them. But like Indriguda, there are almost 100, 200 villages are there who are growing coffee, but they have never got a chance to test it. So like that, all tribals, not I am talking about tribals, even some medium budget people are there whose source of income is not that much, but they have every rights to have a coffee because it is grown in the area, in their area. So I have now decided with the vending machines, as well as with the small old South Indian type filter, brass filter, where if I put coffee powder and hot water on the above, I will get the decoction overnight on the bottom container, and there will be a tape where with the boiled one I can make a beautiful kind of. If somebody wants with a 60 ml, he can get in 9 rupees, not even 10. 9 rupees he will get. I hope your team, the entire 8 students who are participating, I will give you through your professor the cost sheet, how much, because I have already worked out on that. It roughly comes 750. If I am spending 750 and I am getting 9 rupees, then definitely 150 will be my margin, which is 20%. And if it is in a proper location with at least, suppose I am getting 1,000 cup also, it is 1,500 income. So I am not going to do this. I have to make the other guy, the unemployed youths, how to market at 9, coffee cup at 9, and that too direct from farm to cup. There will be no middleman in it, because I will touch every unemployed with a machine. Either somebody's budget is small one, I can give him all finance to have machines with all 5,000, below 5,000. If somebody is a sophisticated outlet, somebody wants to open and he wants to charge something little high, then he can have the best espresso machines company are Novoli, Simoni, and Astoria. You can go through Astoria machines. espresso machines, Astoria Italy, okay, or Simonelli, all these, and so many other companies are there, but world leaders are there, like roasters also. Mill City Roasters. I have my Mill City Roaster US company. Mill City Roasters is on the way. It will be reaching in my farm within at least a couple of weeks, so that I can have the old war roaster, which is now operating in, you won't believe, there is no roaster in the world probably where you can put fire with wood. As I am having a coffee estate with lots of byproduct dried wood. So to dispose, I am using it in the roaster, like people cook with wood. Taste is different. So my roasting, I can give you feedback. The consumers was taking. Suppose 5 consumers are there. One in Gurgaon, one in Cuttack, one though in Delhi also. I can give you at least 5 numbers. You can touch them. They have a very good positive. I should not praise about the product, but at least they are quite satisfied, and they repeatedly say, please send us the same kind of roast, which is a medium roast in my roaster. So now I want to have some interaction actually. Are you? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Because at a stretch I have told everything, and without a line length, whatever I don't. With some emotional thing I have said, and unfortunately I am in a cabin, official cabin, but the landscape and other things I will take you at least to the outside where I am sitting, one of the best institution of Koraput district and South Odisha district, and I can say one of the best institution. Now I am sitting, it is a educational institution. Fortunately I was here, and when Dr. Chaudhary called me, I have to sit here only. If I would have planned in the plantation, then I would have shown you all the live plants and the cardamom, the cinnamon, everything I would have shown. So anyway, next time we will do that. But now at least we'll have some interaction where after listening, you all will have queries. Suppose you have pen and paper and all that, then we'll do that. Okay. And most importantly, I forget to say, the quantity of marketing of this year 2020-21's produce of coffee did in the month of March 2021, where the Tata company has taken 2 truckloads of coffee from Odisha, Koraput district, which is around 31.8 tons. And out of that, 7.8 ton belongs to Brownville, which is, and two planter, another one of my friend, fellow planter, who has sold 8 tons. So 1 truckload from 2 planters, Brown Valley and your Bigneswari coffee. So, and the other ones from all tribals, they had collected the fruits and they converted, where they got 6 tons, and some another 4 to 6 planters were there who sold to Tata Coffee, not to Tata Coffee but to TDCC. Subsequently, TDCC sold to Tata Coffee. After getting Tata,
Let's apologize for this particular statement, all of us.
so it was almost 25% of the coffee taken by Tata was belongs to Brown.
Yes, now let us have some questions from our students. Yes, please volunteer yourself and put forward your questions. Yes, starting with Pooja. Please unmute yourself and.
My question is, who do you think that they are your close competitors? like who you think they are your competitors and you cannot ignore them?
See, competition. See, competition is totally a relative term. For example, we are so far very few people are in this plantation sector in Koraput. Okay, and we are having 10 to 15 only private plantation. Definitely, we have competition, but nobody is maintaining that productivity and the quality assessment so that I am little higher. So the quantity produced by individual planter and the size of plantation they are holding is a relative term. Suppose is somebody a big planter is having 200 acres and I am having 60 acres. So accordingly we have to see the productivity. If productivity matches with 350 to 400 kg, then definitely we are competition. But the true question lies behind now with the marketing strategy. 100% competition is there. 100%. Now we have the competition, and because as Koraput coffee is taking very popular, now I have close competition with 3 farms which are growing coffee and which farms are marketing their as a Dream Hill Coffee, A1 Coffee, A1 Coffee of Koraput, Dream Hill Coffee of Koraput, and now I have to compete with them with Brown Valley Coffee, and Kruti Coffee is already there. So I have to, the competitors and the competition has started. I have to make myself equipped to face the challenge. And the strategy also I have to make. I will take some time because I have told you already about my marketing strategy and all. I have to two things with only placing in the network and all that. That won't work. I have to go to residential colonies and I have to make good YouTube how to prepare filter coffee. I have to educate why people have a mindset coffee will heart attack will come, coffee will have a liver problem, coffee will have no, all these are stigma. We have to take the medical report of different, because who are drinking coffee? The Japanese, the Americans, the Europeans. But who are the people growing coffee? The Africans, the Latin Americans, all Mexico, all these Latin America countries there, and the Vietnamese. Then India, India is contributing only 4% of the global consumption, only 4 to 5%. Just imagine, only 5%. Brazil, 35% world's consumption. So are they developed countries? No, developing countries. But developed countries consuming where? Developed countries. So developed countries are drinking. Are they fools? They are not aware of their health. They are quite aware of it. But in our developing countries, I am very much keen to have my own literature and own YouTube channel where I have to educate what are the health benefits, and with the proper medical research paper on my hand. I think it has Dr. Chaudhary, Professor Chaudhary has helped me a lot, and hopefully my friends were in US. A lot of friends are in US also. They will give me the details. The cancer institutes, this oncologist also they recommend how to coffee, and this Parkinson disease. Coffee is one of the boon for the Parkinson disease patients, and Alzheimer and Parkinson's. If somebody is taking that, won't come in lifetime. If coffee, black coffee.
So
and
actually,
sorry.
We see in the market there is instant coffee and there is filter coffee. So
Right.
an instant coffee is comparatively higher in price. So does it mean that instant coffee is better than filter coffee?
Now instant coffee is soluble coffee, And what coffee we sold is R&G coffee, roasted and grounded coffee. Okay. So you just think the world, all these developing countries, maximum they are consuming this roasted and grounded coffee. Coffee is famous for its aroma and it's famous for its flavor and all that. Suppose if we are making, do you have any knowledge about the instant coffee? All these coffees are coming from the R&G only, roasted and grounded coffee. Initially, the coffee is roasted only, and after that, it will be grounded and it will be percolated with hot water only. After, they will take a thin layer of screening where they will take all the pulp and grounded powders and they will take the only and only liquor from the this coffee solution. And the liquor, you just think about it is like a milk. From milk, we are making Amul spray, the dried milk powder. The dried milk powder we are making. Similar condition, they are from the coffee solution, liquid coffee solutions, they are making this dry coffee instant powder, which is quite soluble. You just imagine coffee is a totally aromatic item. By this, it loses its aroma and it goes through this boiling system and it loses its stress. So definitely, if you will think about why this American, why this mocha, why this latte, all these are all black and all are crushed on the same day. The roasting, even people are there who are very crazy. They think about roasting in front of them, though it takes 20 minutes to have a cup of coffee of roasted bean. They wait in the restaurant to have a roasted and grounded in front of them. So definitely roasting and grounded coffee is always superior to the instant coffee. Okay. But why you have asked me the most important question, a instant coffee, if we put it into the conversion table, it comes at a price tag of 2000 and sometimes 3000 also. If we'll go to prepare a cup of coffee with roasted and ground powder, it will coffee segment will be not less than 5 rupees, at least minimum. But with a 2 rupees of sachet with brew or sunrise or Nescafe, with 2 rupees sachet with 60 ml, you can make a good cup of coffee. Or at least 2 sachet means 4 rupees you have to spend. So you just imagine in that 6 gram, suppose it is 1200 rupees a kilo of roasted and grounded good quality coffee. If it requires 6 gram, means at least 8 rupees of coffee is required to have a good cup of coffee of roasted and grounded, while on the instant you will have a cup of coffee with 4 rupees as far as coffee component is concerned, apart from the milk and sugar. Okay.
Yes, Kankan.
Yes, sir. So as there are big players in the market like the Starbucks and Cafe Coffee Day, and in India operations, Starbucks is also partnered with Tata Coffee recently. So if someone want to enter to the market, so what should be their strategies? Because if we see in India, only the South India part is having a great number of consumption in coffee, but in northern or the eastern India part, they mostly consume tea. So if someone wants to enter into the market, so what must be the strategies they should follow?
It's a you have raised a very sensible question. As far as coffee is concerned, coffee drinking is really confined to the South India mostly. That's true. And coffee growing part is also confined to South India only. See, the Northern India and other, if we think about the cities and all that, city part in the premium segment offices and all that, coffee consumption will be there. But in major area, tea is predominantly in India. We We cannot deny that. But we have to make our own strategy, how to penetrate, and in a very sensible way, because a tea we are getting at 5 rupees, and a coffee we will getting at 20 rupees. So 4 times before spending, somebody will think about that. That was the thing we were discussing with Dr. Chaudhary always. So for a common man, I am talking about. For a premium segment, hardly they bother about you are charging 40 rupees or 400 rupees. For them, Starbucks, the environment, the barista, the Tata people, whatever estate they are purchasing, are you getting anything? Suppose you are sitting in a cafe coffee day, do you think that you have any knowledge about the origin of the coffee from which state or which region or anywhere? No. So in that way, we have to educate. This is the coffee grown by a driver. Wherever outlets, more and more outlets has to come up with more education. Suppose somebody is coming with just to have a cup of coffee. Instead of that, somebody should come with an intention to have a good cup of coffee, with getting a background, getting knowledge about the health benefits, and getting the price competition, why I am getting at this price line and all that. So in that way, a strong strategy has to be built up to promote coffee in northern area, and especially we should focus to the northeastern states where the temperature is really rising in the winters, and winter coffee can really give you thrill where you will definitely forget about taking tea. And the coffee quality also matters, because you just think about 100 kg of production, 70 kg of export. So what? This 70 kg of premium coffee is going outside. Whatever the left, the poor quality coffee, these, the best quality companies like Nestle, like Brook Bond, all these are taking the poorest coffee and they are marketing in such a way so that our real original brand, the real taste we are forgetting. So in this way, we have to go with the best quality coffee to the consumer and give them at a lower price, so that a common man can dare to have a cup of coffee in, just think about Simla,
Like
Dharamsala,
it will be threat
and
of
all.
substitute. Yes. Yes, Mukesh.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is, which coffee is best for us, sir, regarding health?
Regarding health, always roasted and grounded coffee. Roasted
Sir,
and grounded coffee you take, roasted and we all are not having roasters. So we cannot think of taking green bean. Otherwise, we could have purchased green bean and small roasters also. Anyway, forget about that. But we should get,
Yes.
if we are at all getting a chance of getting, then we should take, भाई, we should, हम लोग को क्या करना है, रोस्टेड बीन अगर मिल रहा है तो रोस्टेड बीन 250 ग्राम ले लिए, और हमारा जो डोमेस्टिक अपना घर में रह रहे हैं तो ग्राइंडर है, तो हमारा जो स्पाइसेस को हम लोग क्रश करने के लिए स्मॉल ग्राइंडर है वो है, या तो 600 to 700 कॉफी ग्राइंडर मिलता है, वो आपको आराम से 30 ग्राम तक का कॉफी ग्राइंड कर, आप उसको एक डब्बा में रख लीजिए और उसको आराम से हमने आपको भेज देंगे कि आपने उसको कैसे पीना है। हमारा 4 तरीका 5 तरीका छोटा छोटा तरीका है, उससे ब्लैक कॉफी आप सुबह पीना शुरू कीजिए। एक बार आपको लग गया ना, तो आपको खर्चा भी बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, और उसको विदाउट शुगर भी ले सकते हो, शुगर के साथ ले सकते हो, लेकिन आपको इतना अलर्ट करेगा, आप माने आपको पूरा फ्रेशनेस आ जाए। और दूसरा, एक बार ना एग्जाम टाइम में भी आप एक बार देखो, अगर तो आपको रोस्टेड बीन नियर बाय नहीं मिल रहा है, नेट पे अगर मिल रहा है तो ले लेना है, और अगर कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है ना, आप एक बार तो सोल्यूबल कॉफी को भी गर्म पानी डाल के, नॉट विथ मिल्क, ब्लैक भी पी लो, क्योंकि सोल्यूबल कॉफी में आपको अगर लेना है ना, नेस्केफ सिलेक्ट लो, नेस्केफ क्लासिक लो, सॉरी नेस्केफ क्लासिक, बिकॉज दैट इज प्योर कॉफी, दैट इज नॉट blended with chicory. जब भी चिकोरी ब्लेंडेड लेना है तो मिल्क के साथ लेने से वो एक आप साउथ इंडियन फिल्टर कॉफी का मजा ले सकते हैं, जो कि आपको माने पीने में भी स्वाद रहेगा और तबीयत, लेकिन तबीयत को ठीक करना है आपको, माने जो मेडिकल के हिसाब से, जो हेल्थ बेनिफिट के हिसाब से कॉफी पीना है तो 100% रोस्टेड ग्राउंडेड व जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग कॉफी पाउडर रोस्टेड बीन से जो बनता है वही पीने से अच्छा है।
Mukesh, please ask some question related to business and management rather than your taste buds. Yes, put questions some related to business activities. Yes, Mukesh.
One thing, why photos are not coming something, probably I am unable to see anybody's face. Right.
Okay.
Now only I can see.
Okay. So
Thank you. You have raised the question. If somebody asks or not, I should say from my side only about the business plan and all. Okay. See, a lot of startups are coming up, and as Mr. Chaudhary, you know all my personal developments in the recent time, and about the future plan I had always discussed with you, and now I have been discussing with you. So I have a plan. Two things. Small people in every town are selling teas and coffees, and they are making tea and coffee. They don't know about the origin. They just going to the market early in the morning or in the late evening. They are buying for tomorrow's tea. अरे हमें दे दो यार, एक आधा केजी चाय का पत्ती दे दो। चाय का पत्ती क्या है मालूम नहीं, कुछ नहीं। They are the street vendors for tea and coffee. We have to choose जो सही है उनको चूज करके हमको उनको कितना लेस कम्बरसम प्रोसेस में हम उनके सामने एक लोगो, हम जो अपना प्रोडक्ट का लोगो बनाएंगे और उनको हम समझा देंगे एक दिन, जो 3, 4, 5 जगह से वेंडर को बुला के कितना इजी वे में स्मॉल मशीन में वो कॉफी दे सकते हैं एंड विद ए वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस, ताकि लोगों को लगे कि नहीं ये कॉफी हमारा इस एरिया का ग्रोन कॉफी, इसको पीने में हमको मजा आ रहा है। किसी को अगर डिससैटिस्फाइड हुआ इमीडिएटली वो जब तक 1 कप से लेके 10 कप तक वो जब तक सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो रहा है हमको 1 पैसा लेना नहीं है। ये स्ट्रेटेजी अभी बना रखे हैं। ये शुरुआत करने के लिए हम कल भी साइट सिलेक्शन गए थे, 3 जगह शुरू करेंगे और ये अगर जो प्लान है ना इसमें 3 रेंज का है। आपको एक मशीन हम बता रहे हैं, एक बीन टू कप मशीन आता है जिसमें हमको कुछ करना नहीं है, खाली बीन डाल दो, मिल्क रख लो, बाकी शुगर रख लो तो वो ऑटोमेटिक आपको कप करके दे दे। वो तो एक हो गया। दूसरा है एस्टोरिया का मशीन जिसमें हम कॉफी को एक्सप्रेसो शॉट देके खुद बनाएंगे, ठीक है। और एक मशीन रहा जिसमें हम लिकर निकालेंगे और एक मशीन रहेगा जो स्टीमर जिसको हम फ्रॉथिंग के लिए यूज करेंगे। तो ऐसे बिजनेस में क्या होगा, दो, एक तो एक आदमी कॉफी पिएगा उसको बढ़िया लगा तो लिटरेचर विथ पैकेट विल बी देयर ऑन द बैक, ही विल बी इफ सैटिस्फाइड, वो हमारा कॉफी लेने के लिए बोलेगा और वो प्राइस भी कॉम्पिटिटिव रहना चाहिए, ना कि 1800, इट शुड बी बिलो 1000 एटलीस्ट, ठीक है। तो उस टाइप में भी हमने एक टाइप का रखने से नहीं होगा, हमारा भी ब्लेंडिंग 4 आइटम रहेगा। जैसे कि हमारा इंडिया में ना कॉफी को ब्लैक कॉफी पीने में इतना एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी नहीं आएगा अभी, एटलीस्ट फिलहाल। यंगर जनरेशन थोड़ा बहुत कैसे कैसे करेंगे, इट विल टेक टाइम, बट अभी इंडिया में अगर हमको ये सनराइज वाला 2 रुपीज को कम्पीट करना है और ये ब्रू वाला 2 रुपीज को कम्पीट करना है तो 100% हम लोग को 2 टाइप का काम करना है। आइदर लिकर इन बॉटल, लिकर मतलब कॉफी का लिकर को हम मशीन में एक्सट्रैक्ट करके बॉटल करके बेचना है, और अदरवाइज हमारा जो माने कॉफी है वो पाउडर को इतना इजी वे में कैसे वो प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं विथ चिकोरी ब्लेंड। चिकोरी मतलब हम लोग को आज तक जो कॉफी पी रहे हैं ना, कॉफी नहीं पी रहे, कॉफी फ्लेवर्ड मिल्क पीने का आदत है हमारा इंडियन को। मिल्क थिक होना चाहिए, मिल्क आपका हल्का सा भी अगर ये हो गया, लेकिन क्या यूरोपियंस हमेशा क्या होता है, दे प्रीफर माने मिल्क जस्ट ऐसे डालते हैं, लेकिन क्या ब्लैक कॉफी उनका मेजर डोमिनेटिंग रहता है। तो अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू टेक एनी मोर क्वेश्चन।
Yes, Chera Radha, please put forward your question.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So, as you have mentioned earlier about Tata purchasing some of your products, I want to know what will be your goals about Tata take. How should I say it?
Tata Coffee.
No. How will you take forward this
See,
this
one
venture?
thing, right. So far, Tata, this Koraput coffee was purchased by Tata in this year's season, where my stake was almost 20 to 25%. Okay, but neither Tata people knows me or I know any Tata people. So there are two agencies who played major role as a middleman. This Tribal Development Coffee Corporation is there, this cooperative corporation, TDCC, which is a subsidiary government agency working for the upliftment of tribals. They are the people who procure through one farmers company, farmers producer company, FPO, Koraput Farmers Producer Company. They purchased from us, they ultimately sold it to TDCC, and TDCC ultimately sold to Tata people. So the whole media totally hyped the matter as Koraput coffee is purchased by Tata Coffee, and Tata Coffee will market now with different strategy to promote Koraput coffee. But as a grower, I didn't know anybody who are the purchasing people, who are the quality assessment people, where it is going about Tata. I am totally ignorant about that. But only thing I know Tata people knows means why to keep all these middlemen. In next year, whenever I have to, suppose I have a 10 tons of produce, I have a confidence I can sell 2 tons in my brand. Rest 8 tons I have to sold. Then why to keep all these people in the middle? Because we sold at 200 and Tata sold them at 235. So 35 rupees premium Tata got, this TDCC middleman people, they got 35 rupees. So why not to approach this Tata people directly? So you have asked me the right question. I didn't know any officer of Tata who purchased all this, but now I have to explore who are the really buying officers, quality assessment officers of Tata, who can really come to our estate, take the stock of the quality and give whatever the premium they have, and are they going to market as a origin, because every coffee is sold in the estate origin, like this Kruti coffee also writing this is Kendriguda, this is Koraput organic, this is Brown Valley natural. The same way, are the Tata people are writing, are they agree to write this is from Brown Valley? So if that thing they are doing, definitely we will come up with a very good tie with Tata.
Yes, just like Tata tea, they do not write on the packet that it has been procured from this tea estate. Yes, Hasna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please put forward.
Sir, my question is that you told us that during your initial stage of the business, already the people existing in the market who are experienced with 15 years, 10 years of experience they are having. So what challenges you face during your initial stage of the business and how you overcome those challenges? What was your strategy then?
10 to 15 growers are already there in the plantation sector when I entered. Definitely, I faced so many problems like one thing, technologically, if you will think, this is technologically backward because this is non-traditional area and coffee is not a very popular crop grown in this area. And this is though a hilly track. You won't believe we are still untouchable in the Department of Horticulture, in the Department of Agriculture, in the Department of Soil Conservation, in the Department of Agriculture University as well in Odisha. That is the very critical question you have asked. We were totally horticulture people. If we'll go, they will say this is not our subject to guide you in the coffee sector. So the agriculture people, this is not our subject. These forest people, they say no. So in this way, we have never got any assistance from the state government. But some other way, electricity, this lift irrigation, the river lifting corporation has helped me a lot, and some soil testing labs they have helped, and whatever the technical consulting and all that, we got it from Coffee Board, Government of India office is there, we have got it. And the 10 previous people to whom you are thinking that they were previously doing. So when I entered, they thought they might be thinking about their competitor and all that. But in that way, if I will see, if someone will be coming now also, we are so small in number and there are scope to expand such a big area. So I will welcome, because our fraternity is so small, I will definitely welcome. I will never think of as a competitor, and it has happened me with the same way. The senior planters have guided me, and one important line when I entered, prior to that, I went to a very senior planter and I asked, I am leaving my job in Delhi and I want to enter in this coffee sector. You are here in last 10 years. Do you think that I am taking a good decision? That time they had advised, whatever you are coming and doing, for whom you will cultivate the motherland. The land is our mother. If we nourish the mother, it will never let you down. Definitely she will take care. They have told ये अपना माँ है मम्मी जैसा, और मदर को आप अगर कोई भी काम मदर को अच्छा तरीका से कर रहे हो तो मम्मी कभी भी नीचे नहीं डालेगी, मम्मी तुम्हारा ख्याल रखेगी. So that was the one line which make me so encouraged to start the venture. So अभी भी कंपटीशन का ऐसे कोई भी सीरियसनेस नहीं है. हाँ, आपने एक बीच में एक भैया ने पूछे थे एक चीज, जो कि अभी ब्रांड का कंपटीशन पक्का आएगा, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी में कंपटीशन आएगा, जो कि रॉ कॉफी में इतना नहीं था. अभी क्या, हमको वेरी पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी जो है ना, पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट में वेरी पर्टिकुलर होना है, क्योंकि हम कुछ भी छेड़खानी अगर उसमें कर रहे हैं ना, हमारा जो कप टेस्टिंग क्वालिटी है ना, उसमें हम पकड़ा देंगे 100%. हमारा कुछ भी, मान लो आज हम फ्रूट्स तोड़ दिए और उसको पल्पिंग आज करना है, आज नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम 2 दिन डाल दिए, 2 दिन के बाद कर रहे हैं, तो कप क्वालिटी में उसका रिफ्लेक्शन आ जाए. तो अभी इतना रिसर्च भी हो रहा है कि आप अनबिलीवेबल. आई कुड हैव शोन यू वेरी मैंने, आप तो 8 सर के साथ हो, सर को मैं फोटो भेज दूंगा, क्या क्या स्ट्रेटेजी लास्ट ईयर हम लोग लिए हैं. आप ब्लैक हनी बोल के एक मारो, ब्लैक हनी द स्पेशलिटी कॉफी ब्लैक हनी. हमने 20 ट्राइबल्स लेडी को एक जगह बिठा के, जो कि मशीन में हम डालते हैं ना, मशीन में नहीं करके उनको टोटली हमने हाथ में छिलका निकालना शुरू किया, और वो छिलका निकलने के बाद उसको वॉशिंग करना चाहिए, उसको वॉशिंग नहीं किया. उसका जितना भी पल्प है फ्रूट का, जो म्यूसिलेज जिसको बोलते हैं म्यूसिलेज, वो टोटल म्यूसिलेज को हमने उस बीन के साथ ही ड्राई किया, तो उसका कप क्वालिटी अमेजिंग, वो इतना, जो कि हमें भी मालूम नहीं था। कॉफी कंसल्टेंट्स फ्रॉम बेंगलोर, एक यंग टीम है, जो लोग आके हमको बताए कि ऐसे करो, उसका कप क्वालिटी देखो, और एक छिलके के साथ एक 4 इंच का लेयर में आप ड्राई करो और रेकिंग करो एवरीडे, उसका भी क्वालिटी देखो। और ऐसे 3-4 टाइप का हमने करने के बाद पता चला कि कॉफी का कितना कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है। तो जो हसना का जो भी क्वेश्चन है कि जो मेरे 10 साल पहले जो थे और आज मैं एंट्री करने के बाद भी जो है, अभी प्लांटेशन ग्रोइंग पार्ट में किसी का कंपटीशन कुछ नहीं, अभी रह गया मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी में सबका कंपटीशन, हाउ टू एडज द क्वालिटी पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट में बढ़िया रखो और इनपुट में बढ़िया रखो। अभी जैसे द डे ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक हैज कम अप, अभी जितना भी केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर, पेस्टिसाइड, ये सब यूज हो रहा था, वो आपका जैसे भी वो रेसिड्यू कप टेस्टिंग में आ जाए, अभी उसको कितना रिड्यूस हम कर सकते हैं, ऑर्गेनिक मेथड कितना यूज कर सकते हैं, पंचकव्य कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, ऑयल केक यूज करेंगे, काउ डंग का स्लरी बना के कैसे देंगे, कितना कितना हम ऑर्गेनिक मेथड को जाएंगे, जो बायो फर्टिलाइजर है उसको यूज करेंगे, तो उसमें कप क्वालिटी डेफिनेटली चेंज। ठीक है
सर, अच्छा ठीक है।
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, Likha, please come.
Sir, my question is, when pandemic started, so how did your organization manage relationship with workers, sir?
Relationship between workers. Family member okay? हाँ नहीं, see the workforce, the main इस जो कल्टीवेशन है वो टोटली डिपेंड है वर्कफोर्स के ऊपर। आप उनको कितना मोटिवेट कर सकते हो, उनका अभी जैसे उनको फैमिली मेंबर जैसा, आपका वो लोग फैमिली मेंबर जैसा है। आप अपना फैमिली मेंबर को नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते हो, लेकिन प्रायोरिटी होगा तो आपका फैमिली में कोई है तो किसी को और को रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे के, लेकिन आपका लेबर का तबीयत खराब है तो आपको खड़ा हो, वैसे आपको इंसेंटिव बाकी रह गया। उनका जो छोटा मोटा जो रिक्वायरमेंट रहता है वो उनका तो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं रहता है, लेकिन फिर भी जितना रहता है उसको थोड़ा सा अगर आप ठीक से ख्याल रख रहे हो तो 100% दे विल, उनको एक बिलोंगिंगनेस देना है कि ये जो तुम कर रहे हो ना। अभी क्या होता है कि मैंने भी बहुत मुश्किल से एक बहुत माने बहुत चीटिंग मेरे को भी मिला है, ठीक है। तो उसमें क्या होता है कि हमको एक चीज समझाना है, कोई भी कल्चरल ऑपरेशन हुआ, कोई भी काम हुआ, कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, अनलेस एंड अनटिल somebody knows it why, तो हम एक रूटीन जैसा काम करेंगे तो नहीं हो रहा है। मैं देखा उनको हर काम का लॉजिक बताओ कि आज हम ये छिलका निकालने जा रहे हैं तो क्यों निकाल, आज अगर ये वीडिंग करने जा रहे हैं तो ये वीडिंग का क्या रोल है, अगर वीडिंग नहीं करते तो क्या होता है, अगर आप सही तरीके से नहीं करोगे तो उसका भी क्या रिजल्ट है। तो ऐसे एक है, और बाकी एवरी यहाँ ना बहुत ट्राइबल एरिया में उनका कल्चरल फेस्टिवल बहुत ज्यादा रहता है, तो उनको ऐसा मोटिवेट, दे आर टेकिंग एब्सेंट एवरी टाइम। तो उस टाइम हम लोग को एक चीज करना है, देखो ये तुम्हारा स्टेट है, तुम ऐसा करो कि सुबह 2 घंटा आ जाओ, फिर तुम जो भी करो एटलीस्ट 2 घंटा तो आया, फिर उसको नेक्स्ट ईयर समझाओ कि 4 घंटा, बस 4 घंटा से और ऊपर मत लेना है, क्योंकि उनका ना सबसे बड़ा लाइफ में प्रायोरिटी है एंजॉयमेंट इन लाइफ। उनका ना सेविंग्स का है, ना बच्चा करियर करके जाएगा कहीं स्टैनफोर्ड या हार्वर्ड, वो सब, या तो छोटा मोटा कोई भी, ऐसे कुछ भी एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं। छोटा मोटा आज की डेट में उनका एक नंबर पे है 4G मोबाइल हमको दे दो बस, दुनिया और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है। तो ऐसे में चलता है थोड़ा बहुत प्लस माइनस करके अभी चल रहा है।
Okay. Yes. Chera Rana, you have a question. To Taku Butang.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
सर आप पहले बोलता आप सर कॉमन पीपल को एम कर रहे हैं सर, आप प्लान कर रहे हैं, तो सर हम लोग तो बता रहे हैं कि सर रोस्टेड कॉफी जो है बेसिकली सर वो तो एक प्रिविलेज प्रोडक्ट के साथ है, तो सर वो तो एक मीडियम टू हाई क्लास का पीपल को सर एम करते हैं सर, तो आप कॉमन पीपल क्यों एम कर रहे हैं?
Yes. Yes,
So
very interesting question. He is asking that when this is a very premium segment, and when the premium product is there, the customer should also be premium customer. Why you are choosing the base customer for your premium segment?
that is the tough question. Really, that is true. See, uh, uh, very frankly speaking, being a grower, I should not disclose. When I am sharing with all as a small team, I am growing, and my basic price is, suppose I am giving you a logistic. My basic price of coffee I am selling to Alana Sons at 210 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees minus. Suppose in the transportation, I am getting how much? 200 rupees. Okay, so this 200, I am growing as a part 200 rupees, but my product at the same time is selling at 1850 rupees. So you just imagine, I have planned, suppose removing skin 20%. Okay, this 200 goes to 250. Again, roasting part, if I am grading and roasting and all that, again another, it will come to 350. Okay, then grinding and technical guidance, everything I am working out, it comes to 500 or 600 or 700. But with this 700, if I'll make a cup of coffee with 60 ml, because if we'll target to a tea people, how much tea is served with 5 rupees? It is 50 to 60 ml only. I personally make a cup of coffee with my coffee, which is taken by Kruti Coffee. It comes with all expenses. Of course, a glamour cafe was not there. I am not talking about the cafe, but the street vendor with a little bit of presence, little bit of good presence, he can sell it with 10 rupees where he can get 2 rupees margin. So in the cafe, I will charge 50 rupees. In the street, if somebody wants to have a 60 ml, if we will have 5 rupees option for a tea, a common tea, at least you will get a Koraput coffee with authentic, natural, from farm to cup, with 9 rupees tag or 10 rupees tag with a margin of 2 rupees. Will that, do you have any clarity on that? Have you got the clarification, or you need?
Yes, sir. But in for common peoples, we have not.
No. One thing, my product, my premium product will come with 2,999 per kilo also. Because have you heard the name of this luwak, coffee luwak?
No, sir.
There are so many rats, big rats, like, okay, there are so many big rats are there. During the time of harvesting, they are eating it, and with sit, we are getting the coffee which is commanding a cup 3,500 in Mangalore city. So it is the most premium coffee. So coffee luwak, this you can copy luwak. Okay, so similar kind of my estate is also getting at least 100 to 200 kilo of coffee luwak. If I will do that, I will definitely brand it with a premium. Similarly, if I will collect it and do some specialty work. For example, my season is coinciding with this orange season of Nagpur. Okay. Next year, I have a plan with 50 kg of bean, pulped bean. Pulped bean. Pulped bean means skin is removed with mucilage and all that. I will soak it with this orange juice for 3 days, soaking. After that, I will dry it and I will see the test quality, cup quality. If it comes, then definitely I can charge premium, because you are getting some different aromatic combinations and all that. So these some ginger juice and all that. So these are the things where we can command premium on. And definitely you have raised a right question. When your product is premium, why not you will, and why to go to common people? But my logic I had shared with Dr. Choudhury. These common people should get a privilege of getting the taste. If the point of sale where we are selling, they are not losing anything, then it may pick up.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I got it.
Yes. Yes. Apu, if you are satisfied, then we'll move forward for the next question.
Sir, can
Hello.
I ask one more question, sir?
Okay, okay, please. He wants
Sir,
to ask one more question.
Sir, support the common people ideas, sir. We don't just have to sell the product. We have to sell the story of the product to and how to teach to use how to use roast coffee. Sir. So that
Yes.
will be more difficult. That will be more difficult to teach some like less illiterate people. So isn't it a little waste of time or money, sir?
About the procedure of using it, powder.
Yes, sir. Sir, like for people, for like previous people, they know how to use a roast coffee. They already have idea of it. But for the common people, they don't know how to use it, and we have to teach them how to use it. So it will take more time to for them to be comfortable with them,
Yes.
and it will take more time to sell it. So, and it may and they may not like it too. Sir. So there high risk for a loss. Isn't it,
Yes,
sir?
he is asking.
See, no, I got your point. I got the point. The see what very sensible question. Because it is in fact a challenge for me as well. I am talking about in a very emotional way, but what he is saying, it is a correct thing, because it will take because nobody as a roasted and grounded coffees use is not very popular there. Okay, and in the cafe we are doing, but one thing I am telling you, gradually the living standard has increased. Okay, I am not talking about 9 rupee, 10 rupee. If we'll go to the roasted and grounded coffee, there are so many popular methods have come up, like one thing. If we'll now go to the some of the apparatus like South Indian filter one, mocha pot one, Hario, then your French press. Okay, all these are small gadgets are coming up. Then AeroPress. Okay, with so excitement. If if someone, suppose 5 students are all are drinking this traditional way of doing tea, and they are drinking tea or black tea or ginger tea, ilachi tea, all that. But somebody is side with this beautiful apparatus which cost and which is not much. You can get a French press with a price tag of 700, 800, which will be with you forever. If you will use it properly, it can last up to 4 years, 5 years life. Okay. The only thing you have to put powder little bit, hot water, then take the decoction, and on a fine morning you are taking a black coffee in front of the traditional tea drinkers. So definitely the other all around will be little envious. So that way, the strategy has to, one day or two, we have to take the strategy so that educating coffee consumption will be taking little bit process, because you just imagine about around 10 to 15 years back, this was also not there. Now the penetration, who has ever thought of Starbucks will enter to this? Who has thought? Because Cafe Coffee Day, the own brand of Siddharth, the own brand of India has made a revolution. So, anyway, I will definitely.
One more thing is that already there is a plan that to have coffee outlet where the prepared coffee means
Right.
with milk or with the decaffeine coffee, that
Right.
one would be sold at the affordable price.
Right.
Right. And once they are accustomed with that particular one at a affordable price,
Right.
after just like it's a try, आप पहले इसको टेस्ट करिए. If you are satisfied, then only there would be our own retail outlet would be there. They can pick up that copy and they powder and they can start using that one. They can ask that in my home how can I prepare this one. Then
for the home na, that everybody is having a 4G mobile. So we are very soon we are going to have our own YouTube where we can show you one of the best and easy methods with different apparatus and with the budget. And if somebody wants to have gadgets also like Hario, AeroPress, Mocha Pot, French press, South Indian filter, 5 items are there which are very, very easy to be. Okay. And so we will be definitely taking care of that.
Yes.
My battery is going to low, and moreover, a lot of calls are also coming. So
one more question only. Let Chinmay ask, and we'll finish this one. He is the only person left out. Let Chinmay. Please,
Hello, sir.
The question. Yes.
Hello, sir. Are you hearing?
Yes. Yes,
sir. Sir, the price of tea is like constant all over India. It is maximum 5 to 10 rupees, but the coffee price is somewhere it is 20 rupees, somewhere it is 40 rupees, somewhere it is. Who are selling the coffee at like 20 rupees, the basic coffee they put in the machine and they sell just simple low quality coffee. Then why will they sell? Why they will sell your coffee at 10 rupees? They are already getting just like 15 rupees profit.
The 9 rupees which I told, na, very few people are there who wants to have their budget in 9 rupees. 9 rupees means you just imagine about the 60 ml. But if you will take 120 ml, then only you can enjoy. And 120 ml means 20 rupees only. So if you are denying someone to have 20 rupees in a pocket, if he don't have 20 rupees, then he won't be getting a privilege to have a cup of coffee also.
जैसे हम लोग होटल में करते हैं, चाय को बोलते हैं 1/2 करके ले आओ, होता है ना ऐसा कभी कभी. He has lost the connection since. You can put off your turn off your video so that it can run for a longer time.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Sir, just like near our institution, Nirist, the people there's selling coffee at a price of rupees 20. Okay. Same 60 ml cup. Then they're already profiting like 12 to 13 rupees. Then why they will sell the coffee for 10 rupees? And will they give you a market to sell the coffee for 10 rupees?
No. The only thing we need to do all this strategy where the volume should be there. Unless and until volume won't be there. Suppose somewhere in the bus stop, if somebody is getting at least 500 volume, then if he is selling at this, then no, I am not talking. It is a hypothetical thing which we discussed with Dr. Chaudhary about 9, or it can come to something, a figure which should be at least attract, because that is why we have placed the figure in 9. Otherwise, it should command a premium. It should give at least, because the establishment cost and all that. If somebody is making a cafe, then it won't be coming below 29. A cup of coffee should be at least, the price should be 29, because the infrastructure cost itself will be very high. And whatever the premium they are charging, it is for the sitting place, it is for the ambience, it is for the location. That is why they are asking for the premium. But if somebody is already having a establishment for the tea, and if he is switching over to the coffee and with a reasonable price, whoever will be going there to have a proper, but the coffee should be prepared in such a way. The switching over from tea to coffee will be definitely there, which I expect, but it is also a experimental phenomenon. Okay.
Yes, switchover cost is also going to play one role, and
Right.
if we are creating, actually when we are giving the coffee at a lesser price, we are creating new customers.
Right. Okay.
And if you are selling that one at a premium price, we are going to sell the same. We have to retain the customers. But in this, when we are selling at a cheaper price, so we are creating more and more customers. So today he is taking our usual segment, but tomorrow he may take our premium segment also. He can purchase the coffee beans also. Okay, so it is just a entrance for them.
And moreover, the most important thing, wherever you are serving, you have to explain why it is and what are the background of your product and how you cut your all margins in between, so that you are in a position to. Suppose I am right now sitting in an institution where it is a world-class institution where he charges, suppose a similar privileged environment, if somebody is studying, he may be charged 5.5 lakhs per year, but here these people are charging 1.1 lakhs and they are giving all world class facilities, because only thing they are total, there is no middleman. He is not keeping any commission people to bring students to my, yeah, their brand itself is attracting students to come the institution. The quality of service, the 24-hour care by the teachers, the subsidiary staffs has encouraged the students in such a way, the word of mouth and spread in last 12 years. It touched from 40,000 to now a asset of 40 crores. The sitting institution where I chance to chat with all people. So that should be the strategy. Unless and until you give the quality, if you are compromising the quality and giving it in a lower price and somebody is not satisfied, then you are totally gone from the market. But if you are maintaining the quality, still you are giving a price edge, then definitely it will be acceptable and people will come. Chaudhary?
Yes. Any other question from anybody?
I will definitely come to your institutions
Yes,
very
most
soon.
welcome.
And I'll put a machine there also, and we all will work together. It should be a non-profit organization. We will be supplying the bean only, where you can understand what should be the logistic. Okay.
Yes.
There only we will roast it. There only we will roast it. We will take the green bean from Northeast only. I have some contacts with the coffee board people. Whoever the grower is there, we'll give them the premium. We'll bought from them only, and we'll roast it and ground it and serve it there. Okay, but it should be as a Brown Valley brand only.
Brown Valley brand. Yes. So here, actually, let me tell you, when in 2000, uncle, when I was doing my MBA, he has come to our institute for this type of talk. So it was offline that point of time. Now it's online. And one more time in 2010 or 11.
Right.
Also, that point of time it was through teleconferencing.
Right.
We did not get this facility. So over telephone and in the speaker mode, we had a conversation at that point of time, what I remember. So now it's really a very mesmerizing moment for me that we have listened to so many things, and as they are actually we are dealing with the topic strategic management. So here we discussed about what is this Porter's 5 P's competitive environment framework, then what is the vision, value of vision, mission, value, strategy. So I feel that they must have seen that what is the vision of him. His vision is that the copies should be reachable to all the common man. That is the vision.
And moreover, the most important is to popularize coffee drinking among the young generation, and they should, before drinking, they should know about the positive coffee drinking, the positive on health aspect. They should, I request all the people to go through on the net, what are the effect of coffee drinking and what are the negativity of coffee drinking, and why somebody is getting negative from coffee drinking, and what is the quantity of coffee is giving negative, so that if we are under the limit of coffee drinking, what are the benefits? Parkinson, Alzheimer, all these are there, but still how much it is helpful to the liver, how much it is helpful to the kidney, and how much it is the nerve system, alertness, all these. You just go through anything you are getting, you please suggest which will be really helpful me in making my literature too.
Yes. So the stigma that is associated with coffee, that it will create so much of heart attack problem, diabetes or something. So he has clarified that, see, the producers are from the developing or underdeveloped countries.
Right.
Consumers are at developed country. So this statement itself satisfies the logic saying that developed countries people are not fools, that they are consuming the thing which is going to hamper their health. Okay, so that is one thing that he is also going to communicate. And besides tea, why only tea? Why not coffee also? Okay, so that part will be along with the, like we have one stigma that it is only for the premium segment. So this part he has discussed how the competitors are there, how they are dealing with the competitor. Okay, so he is shifting to three channels. One is producer, another is to selling to the retail house in the package form. Third one is directly by, just like coffee cafe coffee day or barista, they are selling, you come over there and have a cup of coffee. Okay,
Right.
so three channels everywhere, and besides that consultancy also, like if anybody,
Right.
any new brewer wants, or any new person wants to set up his own setup over there, who is going to sip the coffee either in the any segment,
Any
production.
segment.
So he will be there to help them. So these are the different perspective that we have in the all the value chain system. He wants to get involved over there. So this was the discussion related to, and I feel that it was quite relevant to our strategic management. He has touched so far whatever we have discussed. As I told, a real case study we have really hard from the person who is involved in implementing the plan, rather than that what we study in the theory. Okay, so in the future also we'll get associated with him. And yes, 3 or 4 students have gone to the summer for the summer internship in his coffee plantation house. They stayed over there. They have gone to the different parts, like in the Kruti coffee, and they're all the associated one. Okay, wherever they have worked out that one, like your 2 batch or 3 batch senior people, David, Rakove, and Tarun. So these are the people, they have gone over there and they were trained under his supervision. Okay, so any other thing? So I request Kankan, the class representative, to offer the vote of thanks on this occasion. Yes, Kankan.
Yes, sir. So, sir, thank you for joining us. And I would like to thank Chaudhary sir also for organizing this session. And I will also thank Sujay Pradhan sir for his valuable speech, and all my classmates for interacting with sir. And this was a knowledgeable session, and in future I think we will also get a chance to visit sir's garden. So This is all. Thank you, sir.
Actually,
Thank you.
as you are into women empowerment mostly, and we have class representative for the girls, Hasna Khatun. So let her also tell the final words from her side.
Thank you so much, sir. It was really a wonderful session, and we all are very happy and very grateful that we actually get a chance to see what the real business is and how to operate it, how to interact with the customer, and what is the real strategies behind the business. So we all are very thankful, and of course we all are really wish that you come to our institute once and give some knowledge regarding this again, and we would like to visit to your place as well to gather some
Thank you.
knowledge and some we can plan also strategies so that some days we can start our own business too.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
In this way, we can really do wonders together.
Yes. So he
Yes,
will,
sir.
they will just make a video, edited video of this one, and they will upload that one in the YouTube, and they will share the link with you, or so that you can also see this one. Konkan, is it possible on your part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you, Uncle, for such a nice
Oh.
and within so short period of time. It is really a wonderful session. Thank you all the students and Sujay sir also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
all.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
तुम बच्चे तो है 80 बस पढ़ ली